What's up guys, welcome to Grime Time Garage, and I'm Kenny, and today we're going to be putting struts on a Buick Rendezvous. As the other day I was going around a corner and I heard a loud pop and then like some metal was clinging, and it turns out I broke a coil spring. So I went ahead and ordered 2 new struts over here. They're ready to put on. Which all it is you got 2 main bolts down here, and then you have 3 bolts on this top plate here. So first things first, we want to get the car jacked up and put on jack stands, but we want to make sure that the suspension is hanging free. That way we can push it down to get the struts loose. So we'll go from there. Taking the hubcap off, and then I'm going to loosen the lug nuts while it's still sitting on the ground so the wheel don't turn. Well guys, I got it up. I got it on the jack stand, got the tire off. This is the piece that fell off. And if you look right here, see how the coil spring has slipped off this plate and it was stabbing my tire. If you look at my tire here, see it wore a groove in it. But I think the tire is going to be fine. And you can see here, see this went like that.
Yikes.
So now, there's these 2 bolts here, which I'll take these nuts loose, and the bolts themselves are splined on this side, so I'll have to take a hammer or something and drive them out. And then, after I get those loose, up here, way up under here, on the tower here, there's 3 bolts, which I'll have to move this cruise control unit and everything so I can get in there with a wrench. So I'm going to get started on that. Now we got the nuts off. A good old hammer. And hit these and drive them out. So I got one out. Now I gotta get this top one out. They're not budging on this top one. Bigger hammer. Bigger hammer would work. So now the spindle is loose from the strut. So now we gotta, as you can't see, get way up under here on the strut tower is where the 3 bolts are. So I gotta move this, and then I'll be able to get in there with a wrench. So here we go. So this just snaps loose. And this whole thing, we'll just set it over to the side. And there's 2 10mm bolts there. And we'll move this out of the way. So, got the 3 bolts loose. So now it's loose, so what we do is it just drops out like this. You gotta make sure you get over all your lines and everything. And there we go. Good old rusty strut. So now I gotta do the opposite. Put the new one in, push it up, make sure I line the bolt holes, put the 3 nuts on, then I gotta put the spindle back together, and then we can slap it all, the tire on it, and set it down, and then repeat it on the other side. Here we go.
Okay.
Well, we're going to slide this up in there. We're going to line these up with the holes, get it pushed up in. And then we'll try to put the spindle together and put a nut or a bolt through it to hold it in place. And then I'll put the nuts on top. And then we'll tighten everything up. Here we go. Alright, so once you get those in there, hammer, drop them back in. Okay guys and gals, so I got the bolts put back in, I had to drive them in, got the nuts torqued down on it, so the bottom end is all done. I got, as you can't see, the 3 top nuts under here. I got those on, torqued down. So now I just gotta put this back on there, mount the cruise control unit. Then I get to go to the other side and repeat process. Except I have to move this fuse block to get under this side. And it's basically the same thing though, everything else will be the same. Well guys, there you have it. It's all back together now. As you can see, I got this side, and I did this side. Yep. So it's a simple process, just repeat the opposite of what you just did. Well, if you like this video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I could really use some more subscribers. And click that bell so you never miss another video. Bye!